Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 530 model, and this Roomba is actually a 531, but yeah, iRobot says 530 model. The 531 basically just means, see on the serial number says 531, just means it has a newer software on it, which communicates to you a little better, guides itself a little better. So anyways, really good Roomba. So it comes in the original box. Show you guys here what I got here. First of all, the battery here is brand new, so you get a brand new battery this Roomba. Here's the quick start guide and manual and all the paperwork, still sealed up. Alright, so it's still originally all sealed up right here. All the paperwork is still there. Also it has a brand new original strip, the bumper strip that you'll put on the bumper. It's just basically soften the edge of it, so whenever it bumps into walls or you guys furniture, it'll not leave a mark or anything. So very good thing to have. So first of all, I got a brand new adapter, charger. So it's brand new. Alright. Got a docking station, a slim docking station right here. It's used, but it's in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you guys have questions, please let me know. We've got two virtual walls. These are the slim virtual walls, and they do require two C-size batteries. It's just on-off button there, right there. Alright, so here's the Roomba itself. Alright, so basically it's a whole white. And it looks great. It shows a little bit of scuff right here, so it's used, it's not brand new. So you guys can see a little bit right there. Here's a bumper area. So like I said, if you guys look at the pictures, you might see a little more detail. So I'll flip it over. Okay, here's the bottom side of it. We got three-legged brush here, which is in great shape here. The front wheel also in great shape. There's the model number right there, 531. Alright, get the spin out here. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. Some of the teeth here are already kind of falling apart, but it's fine. The Roomba still works perfectly fine, and it cleans really good. The serial number right there in case anybody interested still. Alright, so we've got the brushes right here all cleaned and disinfected. And the gears on this clean hand module also have been cleaned out and relubed, so you get long life on this Roomba. So I'll show you guys how it works and how it works. Basically just push clean button and watch it move. And I'll do a straight run so you guys see that it works fine and the bumper sensors work correctly. So everything has been checked and make sure everything works great. So here's a straight run. You guys notice that the bumper sensors work great. So everything works fine, and so happy bidding. Thanks for watching.